Hello everybody!
Hello guys, today we are making a new interesting video about massage for you.
Go! Lay down. How do you feel?
It feels good. It feels good.
Nice. Very painful.
Not very painful, but I feel I feel something.
A pet. Again. I feel good. I feel good.
Yes, I feel good.
Okay.
Left side is more painful than the right side. You don't know.
Yeah. Very well.
Yes, of course.
Are you okay?
Yes. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Yes. I feel good.
Nice. Very well.
I feel that my leg are cold.
Very well.
Ouch. It's painful, but it's also funny. Oh,
How do you feel?
funny. I'm okay.
Nice.
I enjoy my life.
Very good.
Ah!
Very painful.
Yes, please be
No,
more gentle.
I am maniac. Ishas, how do you feel?
Now I'm okay, but a few minutes ago it was very painful.
I understand. Are you okay?
I feel great.
I feel good.
More than good. Awesome.
Okay. Very well?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Open the mouth. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Relax. Relax. Are you here?
Yes.
Chuk. Little chuk. Okay. Very well, very well. Let me relax. Hands up and behind head. 1, 2, 3.
Relax.
Relax. Кайф. Relax.
Deep meditation.
Okay.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh, very well. Nice. Perfect. Okay.
I feel so good and so healthy.
Healthy. Lie on the back.
Oh God, save me, please.
You have insurance?
I haven't. God save me.
But very bad. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay?
Yes.
Little bit.
No pain. I feel great.
Nice. Perfect.
I'm still alive. Everything is good. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and hasta la vista.
See you in the next video. Bye, ciao.
Atlant Medical Center.
E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold?